guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this style, which it's not a wash and go, I know. And I'm going to be using this product, and it is the Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I've been meaning to try this product for the longest time. They had their sale, what day just passed? They had their Labor Day sale, and I wanted the refresher spray from this line and their new limited edition deep conditioner, but then I was like, might as well get another product and get free shipping. So I got the bundle with this and the refresher. And this product, it says that it has no silicones, no drying alcohols, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic or artificial colors, phthalates, or animal testing. The ingredients are distilled water infused with marshmallow roots, slippery elm, flaxseed, benchimonium metasulfate, cetearyl alcohol, flaxseed oil, mango butter, caprylic, triglyceride, sodium benzoate, and some other stuff. There is some type of gum in here, phthalate-free fragrance, and beet sugar. The expiration on this is 12 months. Of course, cruelty-free, handmade, all that good stuff. This is 8.5 ounces, and it says that Bounce is a one-and-done styling cream that can be used alone to achieve the perfect balance of bouncy, defined, shiny, and hydrated hairstyles such as wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, or any style where you're looking for amazing definition without the crunch. How to use: it says, prior to use, make sure that your hair is freshly washed and conditioned. Section your hair and apply evenly. Style your hair as desired, and it can be used on many different hairstyles, and it lists them just as above. And it says that no need to pair it with a leave-in conditioner because the product is supposedly a one and done, right? So this is the texture of the product. I did show it in the demo portion of the video, but this reminds me a lot of a cream gel because of the bouncy consistency of it. It's like very, not sticky, but it does drag when you take some of the product out. Like there's like product hanging, if that makes sense. I'm sure you guys will see it in the demo portion, but I can see why they would say it is a one and done just because of the texture alone. So that was my first impression when I opened the product. I was like, oh, this seems like it would be a good one and done product. So I decided to go ahead and do a twist out with the product just because I haven't done a twist out in a little while, and I love Miche's products, and I feel like I've been doing a lot of wash and goes. So for the product, I applied it to the 4 sections of my hair, and then I went ahead and of course divided those into smaller sections to do my twist, and I applied more product to each smaller section. The reason why I applied it to the 4 quarts or the quadrant, I don't know, is because it's supposedly a one and done, so I used it in that way as like a leave-in conditioner, and then I applied it to the smaller sections as my styler, if that makes any sense at all.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
So before I got to the finished look, of course I showed you guys what the twists look like as I unraveled them, like before separating, and then I showed you guys what my hair looks like right after I'd separated the curls. And my hair had definition. It's moisturized. Like, the moisture on this is incredible, and I'm not surprised. Miche does moisture very, very well. So my hair is hydrated, it has shine, it has body, but it doesn't have any hold, so that's why I had so much frizz when I separated my curls. So there was definition, but the hold was lacking, and because of that I had a lot of frizz initially after separating the twist. So what I did was I took some of the cream and I decided to coil the ends of my hair, which I got that tip from Ariel, which is Curl Friend Ari on Instagram and YouTube. And I did that to the ends, and then I still wasn't satisfied with how much frizz I had. So I went in with this Eco Styler. It's the Super Olive 10 times hold. This is the baby version. But I went in with this and I applied this just to the ends of my hair because I didn't want to mess up, like, I didn't basically want to do a whole wash and go, if that makes sense, because I was going in and basically shingling my hair with the gel and applying it to the ends, kind of coiling it. So I feel like if I had done that to my whole head, I basically would have used these two products to do a wash and go, if that makes sense. So I didn't want to do that, but so far after using this on just the ends, I feel like it gave me great definition. Definitely some crunch. In the front, I did more of like a separated look. So this section of my hair does look like a wash and go, but then right here you guys can see the fullness and the body that I'm getting from the Bounce cream all on its own. That's giving me that twist out look because obviously my curl pattern is different from right here. But the cream itself, for me, I really like it, and when I went in with it and applied it to the ends of my hair or like single strands, it seems like it would be a good product to use to shingle your hair. So maybe that's why they say it's a good one and done for a wash and go. I feel like if I was gonna use it for a wash and go, I would have to shingle my hair. So I'm not knocking it for like wash and go styles or like a one and done for that type of style. For twist outs, I do think it's good and I like it for definition and moisture, but I feel like I would apply a styler to it, not necessarily a gel like this, just because I don't typically reach for super strong hold gels for twist outs. I'd more so use like a styling custard or a mousse or something like that. But yeah, overall I do like the cream and I do recommend it if you're looking for a good moisturizing styling cream, but I think that it would need something on top of it if you're using it for twist outs or braid outs or any kind of style like that. If you are going to use it for a wash and go, highly recommend shingling your hair. But yeah, overall I like my results. I think it's cute, and at first I was kind of doubtful, but after picking it, My hair definitely looks a lot fuller. It definitely has more length to it. That's also something I noticed with the cream, is that I got a lot of shrinkage. I look like I had like freshly baked chopped my hair, but I picked it out a little bit, so it's giving me a little bit more length, and I like the shape that it's giving me as well. So shrinkage is not necessarily always bad, because it's giving me this like cute shorter fro look, and I like it. So yeah, like I said, highly recommend. You guys can go ahead and check this out if you're looking for a good moisturizing styling cream. Let me know if you want to see me use this for a different style, and if I should pair it with any other products. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.